everyone, this is FITTR coach Anubha and I'm back to show you some home-based low-impact cardio exercises. So these exercises will come handy as in many places the gyms are shut and in many regions, the weather is very cold, so we find it very hard to step out of the house. Or even if you are a beginner who's just starting off with the fitness journey, should take it easy and start off with low-impact cardio exercises. I'll give you a few tips to make your workout a little more interesting. Put on your favorite clothes, wear comfortable shoes and put on some good music and you're good to go. So let's begin. These were some of the low-impact cardio exercises. Even though they look very easy to do, but this has really got my heart pumping and I'm all sweaty and tired. Do try these at home and yeah, see you.